Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is Jeremy, your main machinist, and today we are working on a 97 F250 HD, the last year of the OBS body style Ford. It's one of my favorite generation of trucks. And we're going to be hooking up trailer brake controls today, the fastest, easiest solution to get you trailer brakes right now. Now, this right here is everything you're going to need to hook up very fast a trailer brake control to an F250 OBS Ford. Now, these Fords came from the factory with a plug underneath the dash that allows you to get a trailer brake control, and this is the fastest way you can do it. What I bought here at my local O'Reilly Auto Parts is a Hopkins brake control. It's the Hopkins Impulse. You can see there, 47235. And that gives you your brake control unit, and it has this style of plug here. Now, they also make from Hopkins this brake control connector 47715 that works on the OBS Fords. It plugs directly into your brake control, and then it has the port that's under the dash in the OBS Ford to hook up the brakes. So this means no splicing, no cutting, no trying to trace wires. You can do this very quickly and effectively. Wondering if your truck has the towing package from the factory. If it does, you probably got something here that looks just like this. A 7-wire round style plug. If you come inside your truck, go under the dash beneath the climate control area, and you're going to find this plug. Now, I popped this plug down. You can see it has a little retainer here that clips up to this metal bracket underneath the dash, so it keeps it up high and from dangling when it's plugged in. I removed it so that we could see it and you can get better access to it. Make sure your connectors aren't full of a bunch of crud and dust over the years. These are pretty old trucks. But we're going to plug our Hopkins control into there and then into the brake control unit, mount it to the dash, and we're going to be ready to go. It's that easy. I'm just going to put a very small bit of dielectric grease on here. Back under the dash, I'm going to plug in the connector. And then I'm going to take this and put it back up underneath. Brought the impulse control in. And because I bought the connector from Hopkins, it just plugs right in. Bam. Lights are coming on. You can increase or decrease the braking control power just by hitting the up and down buttons. You have to test it with your trailer. This can hit your brakes if you are in an emergency situation where the trailer is getting a little bit squirrely on you. Where you ultimately choose to mount the impulse control unit, that's up to you. Some people would put it down over here. Some people put it down under the steering wheel. I ended up installing it right here. I cut a small access panel in the back of this, which I'm sure will upset some purists. But I did that to run the wires, and I've got a little bit of Velcro on the bottom to control it. I can easily access the controls here while I'm driving, and that's where I wanted to put it. But that's how easy it is to get a brake control set up in the OBS Ford when it has the tow package from the factory. I would recommend getting the Hopkins Impulse and the connector that goes directly to the factory wiring harness. Showed you those part numbers earlier. Get into the comments. Tell me what you think. How have you hooked up your brake controls? Where do you like to install them? Where do you like to mount them? And how do they work for you? Thanks for watching again. Remember to like, share, and subscribe these videos. Signing off, this is Jeremy.